Welcome to this tutorial. I'll be showing you how to make a petal sleeve. So this is me trying to map out my sleeve. I'm trying to shape out my sleeve. So there's no measurements, it's just for tutorial purpose. So I just share it out. This is how freehand. This is how a normal sleeve is supposed to look like right now. So I cut it out so that I can at least see what I am working with. This is me cutting it out. So guys, please, if you are here to subscribe to my channel, please kindly subscribe. I really need you to subscribe, like and share. Please share it to your friends, your soulmate, your seamstress, tailors, you actually need this channel. This is a new channel. Please subscribe. So this is the sleeve. So now I'm trying to locate the center of this sleeve so that at least I will know what I am working with. So I use my shovel, my ruler, mark the center, draw a straight line there so that at least I'll see the center, be looking at it. Yes, then I notch it. This notching is very important so that when you're sewing it, when you're attaching it to your dress or your blouse, you will actually know where the center of the sleeve is. Because after manipulating it, you may not actually know where you are going to place your sleeve. So depending on what you want, I map out 6 inches so that I can easily curve it. And this is me curving it out. So now this is how it will look like, a petal sleeve, a normal petal sleeve. So I cut it out. This is what it will look out like after cutting it. This is how it looks like. The remaining part, I do not need that part again. This is the main thing now. So a petal sleeve is supposed to look like. So this is it. So right now you need it to be 4 pieces. So I pick my remaining fabric, place it on top and cut it out. So I need to cut extra 3 because it will be like double, 2 at both sides. It's supposed to be 2 at both sides. So this